Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new Microsoft account on your PC or laptop or even your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser and then in Google type in Microsoft account. And now from here, click on the second result, which is Microsoft account, sign in or create your account today. So this is going to bring us to the official website of Microsoft.com. And now from here, what you want to do is scroll down to near the bottom of the page. And under where it says your Microsoft account connects all your Microsoft apps and services, click on create an account. So put in a email address here. So for this demonstration, you want to click on get a new email address. So I'm going to leave this at outlook.com and I'm going to see if my tutorial whiz is available. I might need to put some numbers after it. Beautiful, there you go. So I can use that email address. All right, so after that, you need to create a strong password that you will remember. So put in your password here. You can even show password while you put it in so you can make sure you got no typos. So I'm going to quickly do this and head on to the next step. All right, as you can see, I'll put in my password. I'm going to click onto next. And now I'm going to choose my region, birth date, and then click onto next. I'm going to hit next. All right, then you'll be brought to a page where you need to beat the robots apparently. So please solve the puzzle so we know you're not a robot. So yeah, go through this and then click onto next to head over to the next step. All right, then click onto OK from here. All right, it'll give you an option to stay signed in. So I'm going to click on yes. And here you go. After that, you'll be brought to your Microsoft account. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.